goal is to walk 26 miles to the North Pole, and we've got to do that within the 12 hours. The nurse is on shift. So the idea of doing things like this and utilising this room is so that we can keep our patients mobile, prevent them from deconditioning, and obviously get them home a lot quicker than what they normally would be. So we work very well with physiotherapy as well, and the healthcare support workers are very involved in our ward Shred the Bed campaign, and the idea of that being that they are able to set the patients a challenge every day, and hopefully as they progress through the week they're able to mobilise that a little bit further. Every day we do something called Come Dine With Me. Again, it's all about getting patients mobile. It also increases their appetite. They don't realise they're eating more when they're sitting together. But it's all about making exercise fun. I mean, I'm not saying you have to go out and buy a treadmill. What I am saying is that you can set yourself a target every day and you can achieve that target, and then the next day try and extend that target. You know, when they get at home, keeping the positive mental attitude, stay mobile, do little exercises, walk to the kitchen, for example, walk back with a tin of beans. Little things like that will make a massive difference to prevent deconditioning. We all want the same thing for our dementia patients at the end of the day. We all want them to have the care that they deserve whilst being an inpatient in hospital, on C4 East or any other ward.